Alright guys, welcome to this video. So today I'm just going to be showing you how my Minecraft server works and like what I use to run it and like how just everything works all together. This video is not made as a tutorial, but if you want to like follow along or do that yourself, you may. And also, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments or join my Discord server and I'll be happy to answer them. Alright, so to get started, what I use to control my Minecraft server from my main PC, because this is my main PC and my Minecraft server is running on a separate Minecraft server or a separate PC downstairs in my basement. So what I use is TeamViewer, which basically just lets me access another PC from this PC, so basically my Minecraft servers. So if we click on here and we click on connect, it's going to ask us for password, which I have and I will not show, otherwise you guys will be able to connect to my server and I don't really want that. So yeah, here we go. So here is the Minecraft server. So there's a bit of stuff. Let me close some. Alright, so this is the Minecraft server. So it's running, normal Windows, normal computer, and it's on always like 24/7. So to get started, I use this is the whole Minecraft server. Literally all of these files are the Minecraft server. So this folder here is the bungee cord folder, which aka the proxy. So this lets me this lets people connect to all these worlds. So basically these are like 4 other Minecraft servers, but they're running like on the same PC, because otherwise you can't have like 2 Minecraft servers running on the same PC. But with bungee cord, that's what it's called, with a proxy like that, you're allowed to do that and like have multiple servers and like make a network with like creative, survival, and all that stuff. So yeah, in here you have the run, so I just double click on that to run it. Obviously I won't do that since it's already running. You have the server icon, which hopefully will load. Alright, here it is. Beautiful server icon. And so yeah, here there's like basically nothing. Like there's a config file, which like normal stuff, like the message of the day, which like you see that on the underneath the server. You have the like all the local stuff like IPs, basically some stuff you don't really need to change. And here you have all the servers. So you have the lobby server, SMP, creative, and the private SMP. And yeah, if we close out, we also have a plugins folder, and right here I have this plugin. Doesn't do really much, but these 2 plugins are really essential because it lets Bedrock players join a server. So without these plugins, on my phone or console, I wouldn't be able to join this server. So yeah. Now right here, if we come back to the main, like all the servers, we can also go like, let's say in creative. This is what a server looks like. So this is the creative server. So we got like the whitelist, which is not on anyways, so doesn't really matter. We got like most of these like text documents like don't really do anything. Like this server, like obviously you can change like normal game rules, but you can like do that in game as well, so don't really need to change it. This has a couple more configs. Didn't really change any of those because mostly default is good. And this here, Spigot, is the actual server. So this is what runs the Minecraft server, and I just use this run.bat file to run it. So this will run. Otherwise, if you just click that, that won't do anything. So you have to like use this to run it. And yeah. Now, if we go in the plugins folder, here is where the fun begins, because here are all the Minecraft plugins for my creative world or creative server. So we got the custom map plugin, essentials, essentials chat, gsit, which like lets you sit, lag remover, LuckPerms, my command plot squared, Squoise, Vault, and World Edit, and World Guard. So I'm gonna show you like what each of these plugins do and like what are the configs. So let's start by essentials, because why not? It's like very meaty plugin. It has a lot of configuration to it. So if we go in here, like it's all like all players, like config and stuff, you can all change everything, like anything. Like let's say you wanna hold on, let me find a good here, real names on list. So when you do /list on the server, whether you see the person that is nicked or the actual name, so this is set to false. So if you go on the server and do /list, instead of seeing like everybody's real username, you will see their nickname if they use the /nick command. So you can change that to true if you want that, and there's like a whole list of everything else you can change. So yeah, there's also a bit more items, or items like config text documents you want to change. There's also user data, so everyone that joins the server, I can see who is here. So like all of these are Bedrock players at the top, and all of these are Java players. And like you open them, you like see everything about the player, even the IP. So yeah, I'm gonna have to blur that out. But yeah, that's it for the essentials plugin. We go now for, and also I deleted some plugins, but like the actual like folder for the plugin doesn't really delete. I don't know why, but it's not that big of a deal. Honestly, I don't want to like, okay, whatever. So this plugin doesn't have like, these two plugins don't have anything to like configure. So just like already just put it in the folder and it's ready to go. This doesn't do anything. I'll get to that in game, because that's more of a plugin that you control in the game. This is okay. I can show this one. So this is my command. So basically, this is allowing me to put custom commands. So let's say like the /hub command is not like a normal Minecraft command, but I want to put it in. So I can just put the /hub command, then change the type, and then it TPs the player to the lobby. So if we go back here to server, it's gonna TP the person that is in creative or whichever of these to the lobby server. So yeah, and it's the yeah. Then we have /spawn in creative, and that is run by console, because if it was ran by a player, it wouldn't have the right permissions, because like the player doesn't have the /TP permissions, so it has to be run by the console. So basically this is just like renaming a command. Like this, the /spawn command is really just TP the player that runs it to these coordinates, which are the spawn of the creative. Then you also have like the night vision, which is give player night vision, website, which is shows some text, and yeah. Alright, so yeah, that I think that's mostly it for the creative one. Like all of these are also very, very similar. I think the lobby is a bit more different. it has the deluxe hub plugin, which allows me to like make a hub. Haven't really like made the hub in the lobby yet, you know, but yeah, it's like mostly same thing as like these one, just all Minecraft servers, and like you can configure them like all differently as you want. They don't have to have the same plugins. So yeah, all of these plugins though, all of the servers have it in the proxy. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in the game to show you a bit more. Alright, also guys, I forgot to mention that, but if you're wondering the specs of the server, it has an AMD A6 5400K, 16 gigs of DDR3, and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Awesome. And also, I forgot almost to mention that, but how I control the servers from this PC. So this is exactly what I see when I say I'm at the console. So I can see like everyone, like every player, what they type, every command, and like anything. Now I can also execute commands, like I can like, I don't know, slash, I mean, I don't need to put a slash because there's already like a slash. So if I like type something like hi guys, like that's not a command, so it's just gonna say that's not a command. Type slash help for help. But yeah, let's just do help slash help. Oh, we have to type a question mark. Then yeah, like just execute a command from the console like that, and that's exactly what I see. There's also a second console like this, but I prefer to use this one because there's more color and it's easier for me to use. And also, but the only downside is I can't copy or paste any commands in here, and in here I can. So yeah, and also you can see the memory usage, but it's not that important because I can just do TPS and I can see it right here, current memory usage. So yeah. Alright, so let's go in my Minecraft server and I'll show you guys. Alright, so we are in my Minecraft servers. So as you can see, we got the Christmas skin. It's in November. I'm sorry guys, it's only November, but yeah. So the most important thing I wanted to show you guys on the server is the ranks. So as you can see, I have like the owner rank, and there's also the legend rank, and like player rank, and all of these. And the plugin I use for that is LuckPerms, and I'll just show you guys what I see like when I configure these ranks. So if I do /LP, which stands for LuckPerms, which is the plugin, then editor, it's gonna prepare a new session editor, and then if I just click this link, it's going to bring me to this page right here. So right here on the side, I have access to these groups. So all of these are the ranks. So you got the default rank, the VIP, legend, moderator, admin, and owner. So basically I can assign permissions to these ranks like any as I want. Like there's a bunch of permissions like this. Alright, so if you search like essential permissions, which is the plugin I showed you before, you can see like all the permissions and like what the command does. So let's say you want to give default rank access to AFK command. You put the essentials.afk in here. I won't do that because I don't need to. And I'll just put it in, press add right here, then apply these changes, and everything should be good. And also for the prefix, which makes it like the cool owner thing and player, it's right here. I can use color codes for Minecraft, then I just put the player, then reset the color codes for the actual player name. So I have that for like everything, VIP, and legend, moderator, admin, and owner. the owner is kind of quirky because it's all rainbow, like that, as you can see. So it's full of color codes. So yeah. And yeah, that's it for the LuckPerm plugins. Alright, the last thing I want to show you guys is the port forwarding and the ports. So if you were to make a Minecraft server on your PC, only the people on your local network would be able to join. So what I did for that, like other people like anywhere in the world could join, is I needed to port forward my my IP address to like everywhere in the world. So it's actually pretty easy. I won't show you like really how to do it, but basically you just go to this website right here, which is like your network, your router dashboard. Then you log in to it. Then if you go to port forwarding, it's somewhere in here. It might look like completely different to you, by the way. And here you can see like everything for the Minecraft server. So the Minecraft server is hosted on port 25565, which is the proxy. And I forgot to show you, but right here, if I look at the proxy, this is what the proxy looks like. So it's not a server, it's just making people it's allowing people to connect to the Minecraft server. And I'm gonna have to blur a lot of this out because it shows a bunch of IPs. Yeah. So yeah, it's just like allowing people to connect. Like if I would just run the creative server without the proxy, nobody would be able to join. Not even me, I don't think. But yeah, and if I would just run the proxy and not the server, it would just like not let you join, but it would still say the server is online because it's like still like sending you a connection, but like the actual server would not be on, so you wouldn't be able to join. Alright, so if we come back here, you can see the proxy is hosted on 25565, which is the default Minecraft port. But if you like do the like creative server, it's hosted on port 25568, which is not default. So it's like using the proxy here to like send you to it. Otherwise, like when entering a Minecraft IP address, like if you add server, then you put like my IP like that, it would connect you to it like that, you can see. But if you put the colon and then the port 255, so basically if you don't put any colon, the default is gonna be 25565, as I said. But if I put this 25568, which is the creative server, and I refresh, it's still gonna connect. It's the creative server. So if I join that, it won't let me because I have a plugin that doesn't allow this, because like it can get a lot of hackers this way, but and like fake Minecraft account. But yeah, it's still like, you see we get a connection, and this is the creative server on my server. And then you can see like private SMPs, they're all like different ones for like different servers. And you got the Bedrock port, which is like the default one, so Bedrock players can join. And yeah. Alright, one last thing I wanted to show you guys is the internet speed test on the server, if you're wondering. Like, I don't know why I would need to show that, but just if you're wondering, let's go. Alright, so I'm not gonna use this website because it lags a lot, but if we use the Google speed test, you can see that it's like 160, see more, 203 megabytes per second download. And by the way, this is a 2012 PC, so if we test it with my actual PC, like right here, it's a lot higher because I'm using like way better internet for here. But yeah, that's the speed test for the gaming, for the, not the gaming PC, for the Minecraft server. So yeah, that's about it. Also, I'm gonna show a picture of the server, which is downstairs, if you're wondering that. And yeah, that's it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.